Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity with PayPal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your identity with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account on their website or app. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on the gear icon. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled account verification or verify your identity. Click on that option to begin the verification process. You may be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your full name, address, and date of birth. Provide accurate information to match what is on your government-issued ID. Next, you'll need to select your preferred method of verification. This can involve providing identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport. If you choose to upload documents, click on the Upload button and select the files from your device. Make sure the documents are clear and legible, showing all four corners of the ID. After uploading, review your entries for any errors. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit button to send your verification request. PayPal will then review your submission, which may take a few minutes to several days. You will receive an email notification confirming whether your identity has been successfully verified. If there are any issues, you may be required to supply additional information. Follow any instructions provided in the email to complete the verification process. Once verified, you'll enjoy increased account limits and access to additional features. Repeat these steps if you need to verify any additional accounts or users in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.